Welcome in this series of revision. We did a hire purchase. Now today I want us to look at commission and discount. So commission. There are some people who are employed. They are given a basic salary to sell some items, and they are told that your basic salary is, for example, 10,000 Kenya shillings. And if you sell more items above 20,000, you will get a commission of a certain percentage. So a commission is something that is given on top of the salary. So a commission is something that is the amount of money that is added to the person who is selling items on top of the basic salary. A discount is the money that you go to the person who is selling, that is the seller, and then you bargain. For example, if the item is selling at 50 Kenya shillings, then you say, please sell it to me at 40 bob. And then the seller gives you at 40. So that amount of money is what we call the discount. That small amount of money that is reduced from the selling price. The discount is always expressed in the percentage. So discount percentage is equal to discount, the money that was removed over the original price times 100, you get the percentage discount. So I want us to start with the commission question. So let us look at this question. A sales agent is paid a basic salary of shilling 25,000 and 8% commission of goods above shillings 70,000. In 1 month, her total sales were shilling 915,000. What was her total earnings that month? Kuna kitu I want to emphasize. I want to emphasize that kama huyu agent atauza goods more than or worth more than 70,000, kama achafikisha 70,000 and above, hawezi kupewa commission, atapewa basic salary peke yake. That month asipouza goods more than 70,000, hawezi pewa hiyo commission. Kwa hivyo anapewa commission for goods that are above 70,000. Inamaanisha kama aliuza goods worth 9,115, lazima usubtract hii ambayo ni bottom line ambayo anafaa kuanzia. So you have to subtract that, ukumbukage hiyo. So basic salary tumepewa ni 25,000. Hiyo, that one is okay. So let us see, the commission is given only for goods above 70. So kama ijafika 70 hizo tunatoa. Kwa hivyo it is 915,000 subtract 70,000. Kama ijafika 70,000 hawezi pewa. Ikipita 70 ndio anapewa. Kwa hivyo 0 to 70 hiyo haiko. So you remove that. This is 4 and this is 8. Kwa hivyo the commission will be given on this amount. So that is 8%. 8% means 8 over 100 times 84, 5,000. So this one and this one. So this times this we multiply by 8. 040. This is 32 plus 4, 36. This is 64. 64 plus 9, that is 64 plus 9, 64 plus 3. Yeah, that one is 67. So this one is what the commission. The commission is added to the basic salary. So we add the basic salary, which is 25,000. 25,000. 0, 0, 6. This is 12, 8, 9. So this month, that agent will get Kenya shillings as a salary, total salary as 92,600. That is the salary she will take home. Example 2, a salesman is paid a basic salary of 5% on value of goods sold up to shilling 120,000. He is also paid a commission of 2.5% on goods sold above 120,000 Kenya shillings. Calculate his total salary during a month in which he sold goods worth Kenya shillings 300,000. So first, let us get the basic salary. Basic salary is equal to 5% of 120. So this one is 5 over 100 times 120. These two, 12 times 5 is 60. And then, so the basic salary is Kenya shillings 6,000. So once the goods is worth more than 120, then this person is paid a commission of 2%. So let us see the amount that is worth it is a commission. So if you take 300,000, you subtract 120. 8, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 108. So 2.5 is the same as 2.5%. So 2.5% is the same as 2.5 over 100 times 108. So this and this will cancel out. 1 0 finishes the decimal point. So now we have 180 times 25. This times is 0. That's 40. 5 times 1 is 5. That is plus 4, 9, 6, 3. So we have 0, 15, 4. And then we add 0. So the commission equal to shilling 4,500. Now the total amount of money that month that salesman will get that month will be 6,000 plus 4,500, and this one will give us Kenya shillings 10,500. A sales lady earns a basic salary of Kenya shillings 4,200 and a 5% commission on sales above shilling 8,000. At the end of a month, she got Kenya shillings 7,200 as total as her total earning. How much was the sales? How much was the sales? So we know that total earning equal to basic salary plus commission, right? Plus commission. Total earnings now was 7,200, which is equal to basic salary 4,200 plus commission. Let me use X for commission. So we want to know the commission itself first. So like terms together, this one will cross the equal signs, and once it reaches this side, it changes the sign to negative. So it is 7,200 minus 4,200, and our X will be 3,000 Kenya shillings. Therefore, the commission this lady was given is 3,000. So we want to know what amount of money was able to give us this commission. How do we calculate the commission? Commission is equal to the percentage for commission is 5, so that is 5 divided by 100, that is the percentage, times a certain amount of money that we don't know. Let us give it even Q, right? Times Q, that this amount is what we are looking for. We don't have that. We give us the commission, and the commission is 3,000. The commission is 3,000. So what you do there? Now multiply both sides by. So this one is 5 times Q, 5Q divided by 100 is equal to 3,000. So now multiply both sides by 100. Now we have 5Q is equal to 300,000. So divide by 5, we want the Q, divide by 5. So our Q, the money we are looking for, is equal to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 60,000. So this is the amount of money that was above 80,000. So what was the total sales that was able to give at this commission? Therefore, it is 6,000 plus that the amount, this one 80,000, and that one gives us Kenya shillings 68. 1, 2, 3. So this is the total amount of money that she sold. So if this is the total, you subtract the 80,000 and then you give, she's given a commission of 60,000. 60,000. Supposed to be 60,000. Now let us look at the discount. A television set is sold at shillings 15,000. Jane is offered 4% discount for paying cash. How much does Jane pay for the TV? How much does she pay for the TV? First, I want to tell you that discount, selling price, this person, if the seller sold at 15,000, that one is 100%. Because discount is always less than 100%. Discount is always less than 100%. So it means if the seller offered 4%, it means that Jane bought at 100 minus 4%, and that one is 96%. So Jane bought at 96%. So you can do it directly and say that 100% is equal to 15,000. 96% will be what? So it is 96 times 15,000 divided by 100, and this one, so 150 times 96 will give you 14,400 shillings. So Jane bought 14,400. There's another way we can do it. Another way. So let us get a discount. Discount is equal to 4% of the total of the cash of the selling price. So 4 over 100 times 15,000. This times 50, that's 150 times 4, and that one is 600 shillings. It means that now Jane will pay 15,000 minus 600, and this one will give us shilling 114,400. As simple as that. Obonyo has Kenya shillings 600, with which to buy a pair of shoes. What is the lowest percentage discount that he should get in order to buy a pair of shoes marked at shilling 750. So the market price of the shoes or the cash price is 750. The market price is 750, and Obonyo has got only 600. So what percentage discount should he be given so that she can pay 600? So we can do that in two ways. The first method, we will use the percentages. We will say that we know this is the market price, which is always 100%. So if the Obonyo is going to buy using 600, that one must be less than 100%. So we will say that 750 shillings is 100%. 600 shillings will be what percentage? So that is 600 times 100 divided by 750. 5, 15, 5 here 2, 15 here 1, here 4, 0. So 40 times 2 equal to 80%. So that will be 80%. So 100 minus 80, we will get it is 20%. So the discount is 20%. But if this method is difficult, let us use another simple one. Another simple method. We know that the market price is 750. So when we pay at 600, so we subtract. So the discount in terms of money is 150 shillings. In terms of money, the discount, the money that will be removed from the market price is 150 shillings. So you know how do you get a percentage discount? Percentage discount equal to discount divided by original price times 100, right? Our discount is 150. Original price, which was 750, times 100. 0, 0. 15 once, 15 here, 5 times. 5 once, 5 here, 2, 0. And the answer is 20%. I want to stop there today. Thank you very much. Share to your friends, subscribe, comment. Any question that you have, I'm more than free to answer that question. Thank you.